Welcome to this guide on how to share your MyHealth Alberta account and how to download shared mobile health cards using the Alberta Wallet. Before someone you trust, like a spouse or other trusted adult, can download your mobile health card, you will need to share your My Personal Records account with them. To start, sign into MyHealth Alberta and choose the My Personal Records tool. Select Tools and Settings, and then the Share My Record tool. Then, click Share Health Information with someone you trust. Enter the person's email address and confirm it. Make sure this is a person you trust to access your health information. Next, create a 6 to 10 character passcode using letters and numbers only. The recipient will need this passcode when they accept your invitation. You will need to select a sharing level. Your choice will determine what information you share with others. View only means that the recipient can see the information you choose to share. If you select View and Update, the recipient can read, add, or delete some information depending on what you share. You can change someone's access level at any time if you wish to make a change. Next, choose the types of information in My Personal Records to share. If you choose to only share certain data, make sure to include Mobile Health Card as a selection. Remember that once it is shared and downloaded, your mobile health card cannot be removed from the recipient's Alberta wallet. Finally, you can set an access expiration date. When ready, select Send Invitation. Here are some additional reminders on record sharing. To share with more than one person, send separate invitations. If an invitation expires, you'll need to send a new one. To see who you've shared with, go to Account and click Share My Record. You can cancel someone's access to your record at any time in the Share My Record menu. If someone has shared their health record with you and you have accepted the invitation, you can download their mobile health card to your Alberta wallet. Here's how. First, sign into My Personal Records. In the top right corner, select the name of the person who shared their record with you. In the Health Summary menu, select the Mobile Health Card tile, and then choose Add to Alberta Wallet. To view the card, open Alberta Wallet. Tap the Mobile Health Card to display the QR code. Reminder, do not print or screenshot the QR code. For further help with shared mobile health cards, chat with the MyHealth Records digital assistant or visit the MyHealth Records Help Center. What you share is up to you. Use these tools to share your health information safely and securely and to let people you trust access your mobile health card using the Alberta Wallet.